Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here we get a new model for you. It's from Huawei, and this is a Huawei P60Pro. And this time the Huawei, they provide four more new models for you on the release conference: the Huawei P60, P60 Pro, P60 Art, and Mate X3. And this time we have the Huawei P60 Pro. And today we will have a very quick unboxing and specification talking videos about this model. And we can see from the box, I think they just give us the four informations first. Yeah, Huawei P Pro, the model name, and here is have the X major. I think this is the imager or camera system or some kind of technology, the name for the camera system. Also the Kunlun glass, the glass that from Huawei, and also the powered by HarmonyOS. So this is the very special information or very important information that Huawei delivered to us. And also this time we have the Black Edition, 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. And for Huawei P series, 6 series, they provide four colors, black, green, and purple, and this green, black, purple, and white. Yeah, and this time we got the black. So next I'm going to unbox it. So we will open it here. You find the phone was protected by a screen protector. And before we check the smartphone, we can go to the other stuff first. Here the SIM card ejector, and also here we can find okay, so this is the case. They provide soft transparent plastic case, and also the warranty card, and also the information. Okay, quick start information, and also here they provide a special gift package for us. It's around $50. Oh, this is $50 for the Huawei. I think for the Huawei cars, and also this for the Huawei, all kind of Huawei apps is around, I think for the 70 to $80 gift package. So we can scan it, the QR code to get it. So okay, let's put it back and go to the next other stuffs. And here, after under the small package, we find the okay, here is the charger. Okay, the charger is a bit different because they provide two standards. It's Type-C, both can be Type-C and USB-C. Yeah, this is nice, very, very nice. And also here, the cable. The cable is okay, so it's a USB to Type-C cable. So okay, I will say what surprised me is here is the charger. Two standards, pretty good. And this time about the charger battery information about this Huawei P60 is that they provide 4,815 big batteries with 88 watt capable fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. So yeah, so this about the charging information. Next, let's take the phone out of from the plastic screen protector, and now here finally the Huawei P60 Pro is in front of us. Whoa, it looks so high-end. When I see the back panel, they use the special glass, I think kind of special glass is sand polish material and fittings, and also here the camera zone. They redesigned the camera zone, and here is the X image camera system, big circle, small circle, and also this is another shape, oval shape, and this time they so I have a triple camera system, and also about design here, the mental framework with shining mental material, shining framework, and also we can wake up a screen. Yeah, we can find that you use the cover screen, so the touch fittings, hold fittings is pretty good, and also the punch hole camera, and also if we can find that the screen is a very high screen ratio. It's a very narrow bezels, head and chin, so it's full screen design as well. It's very amazing display performance. Because and also about screen, I mentioned he's used the cooling glass, and also the display is 2080p display resolution with as a 120 Hz refresh rate. Check the information here. Display here. Display refresh rate, dynamic refresh rate 60, 120, and dynamic 120. It's an AMOLED screen, a TPO screen. So this is about the screen. The size is 6.8. So the size is not too big. I think it's okay for the 6 to 7 inch. Yeah. And also about the processor information, we can check from here as well about the smartphone. It's use Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 processor. 4G. It's still 4G because we know that it was banned by US government, so they cannot get the latest 5G chips. So it's still 4G, but it's 4 nanometers processor technology chips, and also the maximum is to 3.2 gigahertz plus 2.75 gigahertz and 2.0 gigahertz for Cortex. So it's an octa-core processor, and 3.2, 2.75, 2.0, and 2. So that's main courses have. And it have 8 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM. It supports LPDDR4 and UFS 3.1 RAM for this model, and also the battery is, as I mentioned, the battery already talked, and the camera is main one is the super main camera is 48 megapixel wide angle and 13 megapixel super long night vision, and also the 48 megapixel wide angle, and also the front one is 13 megapixel front camera. Take some examples here to check this is front one. Check the super wide angle here. It's also have a normal 3.5 times, 10 times, 100 times. About the front. Also one time, 0.8. It's about the wide as well. So for the camera is support both the rear and the front cameras have a wide mode, super wide angle. So this is pretty nice for the camera. And also, the last thing I think I will talk about the IP68 rating, this phone first, and also the Type-C charging cable, and the speaker is here. Big system is also nice, and also the super spotlight XD major system is YYB sensor is also cool for the camera parts, and also support 4K record video recording, and also the 1.4 f1.4 aperture for the main lens. Yeah, so this is pretty cool for this model of Huawei from Huawei. So do you like this? What do you think of this product? So it's a 4G product. You will buy it? Okay, next comment, let me know your thoughts. Thanks for my videos. Bye bye.